How to fix Valorant stock on loading screen. Hello guys and welcome to the channel. In today's video, I will be showing you how to fix Valorant stock on the loading screen. In this tutorial, I will teach you one way to do this. First thing you have to do is to press Windows plus R keys. In the small window that appears, type %local app data %. Click OK. Then, find a folder called Valorant in the folder that opens. Delete it. After that, find Riot Games folder and enter. Here you can see another Valorant folder. Delete it. Now right-click on your Valorant app and select Open File Location. In the address bar, select Riot Games. Here, open the Valorant folder. In this folder, select Live folder if you have it and delete Manifest Debug Files Win64 and Manifest Non-UFS File Win64 here. As you can see, I don't have them here because I have not opened and played with this app yet. But if you're worrying about the effect of deleting these folders, fret not because Valorant will create these files once again when we start the game next time. This method should work. If it doesn't, then let us know in the comments below and we'll find another solution for you. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!